Welcome to Quick Revision, where we post a past exam question every day to support you getting ready for your GCSE exams. How does it work? Well, it's really, really simple. You just pause on the question, give it a go, play for the solution, and if things haven't gone as well as you'd have liked and you need a full walkthrough, then you just carry on watching the video. If you like what we're trying to do here, please hit the like and subscribe button. Hi. Today's question came from a calculator paper. It was worth 4 marks. It's grade 7. You can see that it's got a combination of topics here. We're talking about congruent triangles. We're talking about area. We've got a ratio attached to this. So there is a lot going on. So take your time to read through all that information and think about how you're going to apply it to the problem. Hit pause, have a good go, and press play when you are ready to see the solution. Okay, so I'm being told that the two triangles are congruent. That means that they are identical. So if I can find the area of one, I've only got to double it, and then I've got the area of my rectangle because the two triangles is going to equal the rectangle. The triangle is where I'm going to start with the problem of finding AE because I've got more information there. I do not know the length AE. So at this stage in the problem, I have decided to call it X. And at the end of the walkthrough on this, I will just say a slightly different way of representing it, but I'm choosing X for simplicity, okay? I also know that to find the area of a triangle is a half AB sine C. Now I can use that formula along with the information in my diagram to come up with an expression for the area. So I've got a half times 24 times the X times sine 30. When I put all the numbers into my calculator, I will end up with 6X. Now I know the rectangle is twice the triangle. So the area of my rectangle will be 12x. I need to work out what x is. So I need to consider base times height. Now, if AE is x, my width, my shorter length, because I'm on a ratio of 1 to 3, is going to be a third of that value. So that length will be a third. So my length, or my base times length, base times width, however you think of it, getting in a muddle, is going to be x times a third x, which is going to give you a third x squared. So I'm going to set down what we know. A third x squared is equal to 12x. I want to work out what x equals, so I now need to start eliminating parts of this. So I'm going to times through by 3 to get rid of the divide. That will give me x squared equals 36. And now if I divide through by x, my x squared will reduce by 1 power to leave me x, and my other x cancels out to leave me 36. So x is equal to 36. Now, if I'd wanted to make this last step a little bit easier and not have a fraction, then I could have labelled AE 3x so that AB could be represented with 1. It really depends on you really and what you think of to try. Most commonly, we tend to just use one letter. But if you were to start to work through it and think, oh, God, I don't like where this is going, it'd be so much easier if this was 2x or 4x or whatever, then change it, because you need to do what feels right for you as you're kind of unpicking the problem. Okay, I hope you had some success. If you've watched the full solution, then if it did go wrong, you were able to spot exactly where. Okay, all right then, I will see you in the next video.